I purchased this Starlink Mini with my own money because I am going on a trip. And I still need internet access. Nice packaging, I gotta say that. There we go. Looks like you're given all the instructions. Looks pretty straightforward. That sure is bright. Very lightweight. Comes with a cable. Comes with a pole mount. That's gonna come in handy. And then your adapter. And setup instructions. Well, all we gotta do is follow those directions and try it out. Pretty straightforward from what I can see. Just lift that up, take your end, feed it in through here, and then into that until it completely seats like that. There we go. Take the other end and put it into that one. I decided to use the pole mount, and to do that, just go through that hole, plug it in, bring it up, line it up, and push. Locks in place. This is my tripod that I used to use with those giant satellite systems. Look how nice it's going to fit here with this satellite system. All you do is hold it from the top to make it level and then tighten up your screw. There. Just plug it into any receptacle. Starlink is aligned. Okay, so let's do a speed test. 144 down, 21 up with 29 millisecond latency. That's using the internal Wi-Fi and everything. And this is typical speeds. And I just set it up. All right, so now we know what the performance is. I not only review it, I actually use it.